So if you guys see this message which tells that this has been a critical error on your website, please check your site admin email inbox for instructions. And we cannot, and whenever we click on plugins, this show up. So this is not a like a big issue. All we have to do is to go to our control panel, which is Infinity Free. My control panel it's in Infinity Free, like Infinity Free host, and I will click in clients area, and I will sign in, and I will go to manage, and then I will go to control panel, and then I will go to online file manager, click on it, and then I'm gonna click into HD docs, and then WP content, click on it, and then the folder which says plugins, I'm gonna left click, and then I'm gonna rename it. I'm gonna, let's say, write plugins, and then I'm gonna write 8 just to change the name, and then I'm gonna click OK, and then you will be able to access to your plugins. For example, if we go now to plugins, and then you will access into the plugins without any message or something like this. After accessing to the plugins, all you have to do is come back to plugins and then rename it, and then delete that 8 or whatever you add on plugins name, and then click OK, and then you will be able to see again your plugin